Hey, we're back here on Marketing Matters with Christie Welch, Direct Marketing and Agricultural Specialist here at the Ohio State University South Centers. I'm Bradford Sherman. Christie, this November, I understand you have a very exciting two-day conference coming up, and it's going to be aimed at managers of farmers markets. Would you like to talk a little bit about what's going to be going on at that conference?
I'd love to talk about that, Brad. I appreciate you asking about it. I'm very excited about this. It's going to be a two-day workshop in November, located in Columbus, and the whole goal of this two-day workshop for farmers market managers is to help them develop a sustainability plan. Well, you might ask, why does a farmer's market need a sustainability plan?
Why does a farmer's market need a sustainability plan?
Very good. Well, you know, over the last couple of years, we're finding locally produced foods in more market channels. So not only is it available at a farmer's market, but a lot of grocery stores, specialty stores are now offering locally produced foods. And if we put our customer head on and not our market manager or our farmer head on, what's very important to customers? Convenience. Convenience, absolutely. Now, I challenge farmers markets all the time to say, how convenient is it for a family that has 3 kids that play soccer on Saturday mornings to get up and go to the farmer's market on Saturday morning to buy their local produce?
Right, good point.
And so what we're trying to do with this training is to help these market managers think about what's their consumer base going to look like 5 years from now, or possibly even 10 years from now. Farmers markets are much more than just the local food. It's a community. It's been very helpful for small producers. It's also been very helpful for communities to really form those connections. So I don't see that they're going to go away, but we're really excited about this training. We have experts from the Cornell Cooperative Extension in Broome County, New York, as well as folks from Grow New York City. That's the organization that manages the green markets in New York, coming to help train our market managers on developing that sustainability plan.
You know, you talk about convenience, and whenever my wife and I, we have 2 small kids, whenever we go to a farmer's market, one of the biggest things is we don't have cash on us or something. You know, we might only have a card, or like I love to pay with my phone. I love to use Apple Pay, you know, and also there's Google Pay and Samsung Pay, the contactless payments. So you see people with the square readers sometimes, but not everybody has that. So is that something you might talk about at your conference, trying to get people to maybe kind of tech it up and maybe make it more convenient to pay for stuff?
Absolutely, and that's another thing that we stress with our producers anyway, is don't make it hard for your customers to give you money.
Make it easy. Take my money.
Easy. And so that would certainly be a part of that sustainability plan. What's that going to look like, again, 5 or 10 years from now? If you stop and think about 10 years ago, the ability to take payments out in the middle of a field or at a farmer's market with a smart device was very limited. And so technology is changing so quickly that we really need to think about that.
Right. And I hope they do, because, you know, I want to buy some of this stuff.
That's
make it easy. I don't care. I lose cash if I carry it.
That's right.
My wife don't let me carry it. So anyway, you know, about this conference, do you have a lot of the details worked out about, you know, how much it's going to cost and where people need to go to register and everything like that?
So we're still in the planning stages. So we do have work to still be done on that. I will tell you that thanks to some funding that our program has, it's going to be free of charge.
Oh, that's great.
For our farmers market managers to hold the conference. And so, but it will be in Columbus on November the 11th and 12th. It's a 2-day workshop. And so please, if you want more information, you can see the contact information on the screen below, and reach out to us or watch for that information coming out. It's going to be a great workshop.
Okay, well, sounds very exciting, and I'm sure that as the date draws closer, you're going to have even more information to share with everybody, and I'm sure that they can check out the website to kind of keep updated with that, and also social media.
Yep, so. Absolutely.
Okay, well, I believe, is there anything else you want to say about this event coming up, or anything at all?
No, not really. We're just very excited about it, and we're also partnering with the Ohio Farmers Market Network to bring that that to Ohio. So if you have questions, you can again either contact us at the bottom of your screen or check out the Ohio Farmers Market Network, and they'll have their information there as well.
All right. Thanks a lot, Christy. You've been watching Marketing Matters. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.